Good day everyone, Ali's here from Safi Financial Network. Today is September 24th, 2022. Okay, here is the S&P 500 chart, monthly chart. We haven't changed any analysis for the monthly chart, just because monthly chart, based on the previous analysis that we have done, as long as we are below this SMA 20, we are in a bear market. So there is no doubt about it, and we have a couple of confirmation that we are in a severe bear market. As you see here, we just hit down to SMA 20 and then rejected down all the way to here. We are just testing June 2022. So this is kind of like a signaling for double bottom for now, just because we are in a major trend line. So look at this dynamic trend line, and whenever we hit this trend line, market or price has a reaction. But this time it's pretty soon, just because whenever we hit this line severally, it means in a short term, it means that this line is getting weaker and weaker, and there is a chance to breaking down to the lower prices as well. This is a wide range bar, so I'm just looking at this area for the monthly chart for now, but probably end of the year or early 2023 we will get to this level. There is no update for this one. Lots of people are getting, we are in oversold condition in monthly, and stochastic wise we are in oversold condition. Yeah, we can be oversold and we can stay for oversold condition for a while. Look at that, this is 2008. And 2008, when we hit this oversold condition, we are just below this, but we are confirming price below SMA 20 and confirming price is getting below SMA 50 on monthly chart. And look what happened after that. Ugly sell-off just came down all the way to a lower low, even lower than 2001 and 2002. So I would say don't rely on this when we are getting to stochastic oversold condition in bear market. Stochastic can stay there forever, like not forever, I mean for a long time. But for the RSI, this area is very, very important. So right now, as you see here, we are signaling a very, very short setup for the market. Like I know lots of technical analysts don't like this, but when we are getting to, again, this price action can happen to the RSI as well. So the technical standpoint can happen to the RSI as well. So when we are getting to a level and we are just attacking to the level several times in the short term, this level is getting weaker and weaker, despite of lots of a textbook that they're telling you this long or this area is getting stronger. No, this line or area is getting weaker and weaker, and right now we are getting back to this level, to testing this level. So if we break down below this, probably we are signaling for the oversold condition, and that would be the bottom for the market. So right now we are not getting to this one. So this is 2002, this is 2009, and when we are getting to this level, oversold condition in RSI, so probably we are looking for a bottom for the market. Right now we are just below 50%, so it doesn't signal any bottom formation for the stock market in monthly chart. Okay, let's say it's going to moving on to weekly chart. Weekly chart, I thought that we are getting a bounce last week. In my last week analysis, I thought that we are pretty close to the bounce. So we are getting to this level, and we had a bounce. Just the beginning of this of the last week, we had a bounce, but it was not a strong reversal confirmation, and market just sold off after that. Especially a Fed meeting, I thought that that's going to be a reversal point for the market or pivoting or something, but it doesn't change anything. So market had very, very ugly sell-off last week, just hitting the double bottom, and I thought that we are getting to oversold condition, getting close to this area. So look at that, this is SMA 200 on weekly basis, and this SMA 200 on weekly basis, which is coming to 3585, and this is coming along with a top on August 2020. And I thought that pretty nice area for the bounce, just because market didn't respect this area and spiking all the way down. I thought that capitulation is coming down the road, and probably we will get the signal. So for this week, I think we already had a bounce, and this bounce initiated. If we hold this pivotal point and this pivotal point, so probably we will have a bounce to 38. 30 is going to be maximum. I would say maximum 38.30. Then it's going to be another short setup, or probably that rally could stretch to this area, which is 39.32 to 39.60, which is low probability, to be honest. Probability to get to this area is going to be very, very low. So I would say if you're getting a bounce, that would be a short setup for the next market meltdown, probably to this area. But that short setup is or could stretch to this area. So just be mindful about this. I've got a timing for this one as well. So I just mentioned it in my channel, Safi Financial Network in Telegram platform. It is free for everyone if you want to watch it. So mid-October, probably that's going to be subsequent high for the market, and probably a short setup after that. So we nailed this top here. We nailed this top here in September, mid-September, and this is August. We just nailed it there. And probably there is going to be another third one, which is coming mid-October, and probably mid-October that would be another short setup for the market to getting back to short. So we should be patient. We should be looking for a next setup. But reversal is initiating just last week on Friday, last hour of Friday. So this is a Friday candle, as you see here. Market just getting back down all the way to here, double test this lower low, or initiating a significant bottom for the market. Probably this type of rally would be probable for the next week. And I thought that this is going to be a reversal going back up there, and then we get the short signal. It didn't respect my analysis, or my analysis should be wrong, I would say. And as you see here, we just smashing down price, just confirming another sell signal all the way to here. But this area would be another short setup. So I would say if market rebound to this area, which is 38.16 to 38.76, that would be a nice setup for another shorting opportunity for the market. I'm not sure, probably we cannot stretch to this level, but there are lots of resistance up there. So don't get me wrong, there are lots of resistance up there. Market doesn't respect any of support level, it's just going down. And the reason that I'm looking for a reversal this week is this. This is hourly chart. We had a very, very nice reversal candle just last hour. Look at that. So this is last hour on Friday. We had very, very nice signal for the reversal. So we need to close above. So for confirming the signal, we need to close above this level. If we close above 37.11 in an hourly chart and we stay above it, then there is going to be another probably higher high to 37.42 or 37.50 in hourly chart, or it could stretch this area, but I wouldn't expect anything more than this for now, for the next week. But this could be a short setup. I would say this is very, very nice short setup. I'm not expecting something like this at all. So probably something like this, stretching to this area and then coming back down. So we'll get back to the daily analysis shortly. If we have any good setup, I will just post it in my channel. So make sure that watch the channel. And I just want to tell you, here's the stochastic, again signaling for another reversal. So stochastic last time signaling for another reversal. here is another reversal for the daily, and this one is coming along with weekly reversal, stochastic. So fast line is getting to the oversold condition. We are at a good technical level for the market. So that's what I'm getting at. In weekly and daily, we are getting to oversold condition, and probably a reversal is happening next week or middle of next week. So if you see any lower low, probably to this area, that would be just I just want to put a box there. So if we get any lower low to this area next week, that is going to be nice reversal point for the market, at least for a week or two. All right, so yeah, just keep an eye on this. I think I covered everything in this video, so make sure subscribe to our channel if you like this video, or smash the like button at least. That's going to be at least support from you folks. Have a great weekend. See you on the chart. Bye bye.